Evaluation or QC test for parental. First, Pyrogen test, sterility test, leakage test, clarity test, or uniformity test. First, sterility test. Sterility does not indicate that the product is sterile, but it indicates sterility of batch of product. IP describes this test. Procedure. First, preparation of culture media. Culture media should be prepared by referring the formula. Second, sterilization of culture media. Prepared culture media should be sterilized by following suitable method of sterilization. Third step, inoculation of sample. The product to be tested should be transferred aseptically in sterile culture media. Fourth, incubation. The culture media containing sample should be incubated for specific period of time. Fifth, interpretation of test. If living microorganisms are present in the sample, their growth will take place on nutrient media. These are 5 steps. If microorganisms are absent, no growth is observed on nutrient medium. If the test for sterility gives negative result, then the product is considered as sterile. If the test of sterility gives positive result, then the product is considered as a non-sterile. And in such a case, the test should be repeated. If the product contains bacteriostatic agent, it should be diluted before the test for obtaining true results. Second main steps, clarity test. It also known as particulate matter test. This test should be performed on every container for ensuring that our parental product is completely free from foreign particles, because this particle may cause a blockage of blood vessels. In this test, visual inspection of each container should be done by operator against white and black background. It can be done with help of clarity test apparatus. The black background helps for detection of colorless particles. Third main steps, pyrogen test. It should be free from one batch of product. Pyrogens are chemically lipopolysaccharides and are metabolic products of microorganisms, which causes increase in body temperature if injected. Pyrogens are water soluble and non-volatile in nature. Pyrogen test can be done by two methods. First is animal test and second is chemical. So we have seen first steps animal method. As rabbits are highly heat sensitive animals, they should be used for pyrogen test. First, selection of rabbit. Three healthy mature rabbits of some age, sex, body weight should be selected. Second, recording of initial temperature. The body temperature of three rabbits should be recorded by using telethermometer. Third, injection of sample. The sample to be tested should be injected to rabbits through their marginal air vein in the dose of 10 ml per kg body weight. Recording of temperature. Fourth step, recording of temperature. After injection, the temperature of rabbit should be recorded at the interval of 30 minutes up to 3 hours. Interpretation of result. If the body temperature of any individual rabbit get increased more than 0.6 degrees Celsius, or sum of the rise of temperature of all three rabbits is more than 1.4 degrees Celsius, being the sample fails the test. In such a case, the test should be repeated by using other additional rabbits. That is, the test should be done on 8 rabbits. Second, chemical test. The chemical LAL, that means LAL, lumulose of amebocyte lysate, can be used for detection of pyrogen. This chemical is obtained for horseshoe crab. To the 10 ml of sample solution, LAL is added. If coagulation takes place, it indicates presence of pyrogen. Below I show simply sample solution plus LAL if coagulation, presence of pyrogens, and no coagulation, absence of pyrogen. That is the two simple methods, animal and chemical. In animal, rabbits are used. Fourth main stage test, leakage test. This test should be performed only for ampoules. This test should be done on each ampules of the batch. For this test, 1% methylene blue dye solution is used. The ampoule is dipped in reverse position in dye solution. If dye solution enters in ampoules, it indicates incomplete sealing of ampoules. Equipments for parental manufacturing. First, automatic washers and dryers, mixing tanks, storage tanks for water for injection, different types of sterilizer like autoclave, hot air, oven, etc. Filtration equipments, packaging and labeling benches, refrigerators, storage cabinets, etc. Thank you, friends.